Hello everyone, so this is a quick video on how to complete a tech pack for your clothing or fashion brand. These are fantastic for when you send off to suppliers because it gives them a clear and concise idea of what you actually want. From the beginning I used to use hand-drawn, and I realised very quickly that a lot of professional companies do not want that and they don't accept that as any form of measurements or anything like that. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on some tips and tricks of what to include, what not to include, and how to do it for your clothing brand. So let's get into it. So this is just a basic idea of what a tech pack will look like. It's got things such as the size just up here. You have to define every single little feature if you want it to come out exactly how you planned. That's very important. So this next one just here, this can include your design. So for example, this is my new design, Custard Shop. This is going to be the new t-shirt. There's an inside woven label here, so these are very important. Any small details just like this. You've got the brand up here, the GSM, so how thick the t-shirt is. In this case, it's 200. The quantity that you're going for, the sizes for it, and any colours down here that you shall be using. So these will be the colours of the t-shirts with the Pantone code just there. And then, of course, it's optional to add any watermarks. This is just for the sake of making sure no one uses your designs themselves. So this is just a quick, basic understanding of what you want a tech pack to be. These can be for any design that you have in mind, so the front and back view. In this case, I just got an outline of a t-shirt from the internet. Same thing here, so I just zoomed in, made the circle myself. I'm using Photoshop here, which is perfect if you have anything like that, which you want to change, or any sort of design things. Free alternatives can include Photopea. But yes, this is just a real quick understanding for anyone that had no idea what a tech pack was or had no idea where to start. This is a general basic outline of what you can do for your own designs. So I hope this helped you out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And feel free to subscribe and just check in on the website for any products you might like. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that really quick video. Any tips or any tricks that you've used yourself for your tech packs, please do let me know in the comment section. Any products you see here or behind me are available on my website, custardshop.co.uk. And thanks for watching.